Hello guys, today our destination is Chrea Mountains. And it was my first time there. And I'm a little bit sad that I didn't get a chance to visit it in winter when it was covered with snow. But it's also okay in summer. Chrea is a ski resort and nature reserve located in Blida province, at 1,458 meters above sea level. Summers are warm and dry, and winters are chilly and wetter with snowfalls. This is one of the coldest places in Algeria. And you know what? It has also played a role in the revolutionary history of Algeria. Between Tikishda and Chrea, which one is better in your opinion, and which one do you prefer? For me, I think I like Tikishda more.